Have you ever looked at crypto trading and thought, there's no way beginners can compete with professional traders? Because honestly, most people jump into futures trading without experience, overtrade, and end up losing money fast. But what if you could automatically copy experienced traders instead? And what if your first copy trading loss could actually be covered up to 50 USDT? Today, we're talking about BTCC's copy trading system and why it's becoming popular among beginner crypto traders worldwide. Welcome back to Crypto Explainer, the channel where we break down crypto and Web3 in the simplest way possible. And today, we're looking at BTCC copy trading, how it works, and how new users can potentially get up to 55 USDT in rewards and loss coverage. Quick disclaimer before we continue. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Crypto trading always carries risk, so always do your own research before investing. So what exactly is copy trading? In simple terms, copy trading allows users to automatically copy the trades of experienced traders. Instead of spending hours analyzing charts, you simply choose a lead trader, and their trades are mirrored into your account automatically. This is one of the reasons copy trading has become extremely popular for beginners entering the crypto market. Now, one thing that stands out about BTCC is how beginner-friendly the platform feels. When choosing traders to copy, users can filter traders based on things like ROI, win rate, risk level, trading history, profit performance. And for beginners who don't know where to start, BTCC also includes a top picks section with recommended traders. Now, here's something important. A lot of people focus only on profits when copy trading. But experienced users in the community often mention that risk management matters even more than huge returns, and that's where BTCC includes some useful protection features. For example, users can set a copy trade stop loss. This means you can define the maximum acceptable loss while copying a trader. If losses hit that limit, the system can automatically stop copying trades for you. That's actually very useful for beginners because emotional trading is one of the fastest ways to lose money in crypto. BTCC also supports two copy trading modes. The first is fixed margin mode, where you choose a fixed amount per copied trade. The second is proportional margin mode, where your trades scale proportionally with the lead trader's positions. So beginners can keep things simple, while advanced users can use more flexible settings. Now let's talk about the main campaign. BTCC is currently offering up to 50 USDT in copy trading loss coverage for new copy traders. Here's how it works. If your first copy trade closes at a loss, BTCC can provide up to 50 USDT in trading funds as compensation. The campaign is limited to the first 1,000 eligible users every month and is only available for new copy traders. And there's another bonus too. New users can also receive an extra 5 USDT through BTCC's newcomer reward campaign. So combined, eligible users can potentially receive up to 55 USDT in rewards and loss coverage. Now, obviously, this doesn't remove trading risk completely. Even professional traders lose trades sometimes, and copy trading should never be treated as guaranteed profit. But for beginners who want to explore crypto trading with an additional safety buffer, campaigns like this can make the experience less intimidating. And honestly, that's probably why copy trading continues growing so fast in crypto communities. Overall, BTCC combines beginner-friendly copy trading, risk management tools, multiple trader filters, flexible copy modes, and promotional incentives for new users. So if you want to learn more about BTCC copy trading and the 50 USDT loss coverage campaign, check out the links in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crypto guides and market updates here on Crypto Explainer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.